How to disable receive inbox message when you're mentioned on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable receive inbox message when you're mentioned on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here we'll find privacy. Click on it and scroll down until you find mentions and tags, and then scroll down again. Here you will find it inbox message preferences. Now all you need to do is just click on it one click, and that's it. Inbox message have been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.